Opambour make be show. Christo so na kasa eta ever. Kalas. Because mama Christo so no your time. I don't know say eyen kwase 7 na. We need see you know Opambour we need to we cross say honum na won back home da won kwa agboche da na na we use wa adwe man kwafo no na ma ya na so okay say kwafo da woli wa for that Opambour you can't scare anybody. When you have a papa you have to grow up.
Odi Tornado criticized both Okatiche Efifa and Opambour in a self-recorded video. Tornado condemned Opambour's constant involvement in controversies and cursing people. He stated that Ghanaians are tired of Opambour's negative trends and urged him to stop. Tornado advised the aging man of God to learn sense and cease engaging in facts.